Hey, Mom, where are you?
Come on, Emily, help your mommy. Sort some socks and do the laundry. Oh, yeah. Come on. Pick up a sock, put it in the air. Find the other one, make a pair.
We made a pair.
Awesome responsibility to do laundry about the stone because you are responsible for the children's clothing. Imagine if you took your laundry bag and had to give all of your belongings that you care so much about to somebody else and said to them, please bring this back to me. It has everything that I wear and care about and brought to camp. That's the pressure. Thank you, Nava. I appreciate that. That is exactly the responsibility. It's as though every kid hands every one of you their laundry bag and says, bring it back to me. And there are 3 rules of laundry.
There are 3 rules of laundry.
Rule number 1.
Rule number 1.
All laundry must stay together.
All laundry must stay together.
Rule number 2.
Rule number 2.
Everything must be dry.
Everything must be dry.
Rule number 3.
Rule number 3.
Pack the trailer according to the list.
Pack the trailer according to the list.
We have a variety of different machines here. I'm going to take you on a short tour of the machines. There are small washing machines. There is one here. Small. 2 more over here. And all these over here. Come on to these. Oh. These are all top loader washing machines. Okay, now, we also have medium-sized laundry machines. These, they're $1.75. These are front-loader washing machines. Who's ever used a washing machine like this? Yes, okay, good. The soap in here goes here, like this, all right? And then down here also. And then we have these extra large laundry machines. These large laundry machines don't usually need to be used. They are good for camp laundry, for sleeping bags, for things like that, but they don't need to be used on a regular basis here. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go out to the trailer, we're gonna bring in all the laundry, and as we bring it in, we're gonna divide it up approximately by size by the different machines. Small, medium, large, okay? Maybe an assembly line is a good idea to get in all the laundry, all right? Let's go.
Laundry clean, we'll have nothing to wear.
It's very small. It goes in a small pile. As so.
All right, here we go. We've got our laundry bag. What's rule number 1, people? So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna take the laundry and you're gonna dump it into the washing machine. Okay. Now you're gonna take the laundry bag and you're gonna put it in the washing machine. A very small bag. You might think that this should be combined with another bag. It in fact should not. We're going to take this bag and 1 pair of socks that's in there and the bag and wash it all by itself. Now we're going to take in these machines. The detergent can just go right on top here. And these machines and those machines, they go in the front. We're going to take our quarters out. Put them in.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I think that's it. I think that's it. Oh, 7.
7.
Okay. Now we're going to put it on warm and normal. Push it in, and it's just going to get started. All right? That's it. When you're done, just like we put everything in, including the laundry bag, we're going to take it all out together and put it in this basket. Okay? So what goes in this basket, just to repeat, is the wet laundry, including the laundry bag. Okay? Got that? Wet laundry and laundry bag in this basket. Some things that don't go in the basket.
Humans.
You do not go in the basket, okay? Full, unwashed laundry bags. No need to put them in the basket, okay? That's what goes in the basket. We're going to proceed right over here, to these dryers.
Do you think it would be okay if I took the laundry from this basket and another basket and put both of them in the same dryer to save some money?
Yaakov, refer to
Rule number 1.
Oh,
Okay.
I forgot.
Take a dryer sheet, or even 2, and put them in. Now, dryer sheets are important because they smell good. Yehuda Rothner used to suggest 5 dryer sheets
He also put like 8
to make the laundry smell really good. I think you could get by with 2, but if you want to do 5, Machane, Yehuda Rothener, it's fine with us. Okay? Now you're going to put the laundry, the quarters in. Now on these double machines, the quarters work for, this slot works for both machines, and these little computers control, see, upper dryer, lower dryer.
Esty, what's the recommended drying cycle?
40 minutes at hot, from what I understand, usually dries the clothing. Now, people, please help me. What's rule number 2? Everything must be dry. All the clothing must be dry. Good, excellent. So you're going to make sure that 40 minutes is in fact enough to dry all of that laundry, okay? You can check by opening the dryer, touching the clothing, and evaluating if it's dry. If it's not dry, then you're going to need to add more quarters to ensure that in fact it does get dry. The laundry needs to be loaded in the trailer, this is rule number 3, in this very specific order so that it can be unloaded properly, okay? And when you finish the laundry bags, you can line them up either if it's like a rainy day, you can sort of choose an area like along that far wall of the laundromat or on these chairs to put them, or if it's dry outside, you can line them up outside by color, and then you'll load them into the trailer, right, by that color as they're completed. Okay, and that's how they get delivered back to their box. While you are here, you have many quarters, and there are also machines that accept quarters. Okay, you can use those quarters both for laundry and to feed you and sustain you in your long nights of laundry here. In addition to that, there's a Tim Hortons across the street with coffee that you can go to. There's a quick fill next door. These are the only places you may go. There are 3 rules of laundry at Machane Stone. Rule number 1, keep all laundry together. One bag stays together the entire time. Empty the bag, take the bag with the laundry into the machine, transfer it all into the dryer, and refill the bag at the end. Rule number 2, all laundry must be dry. Absolutely, totally, and completely dry. Rule number 3, refill the trailer in color order so everything gets back to its original owners.
One final note on laundry. Always make a Kiddush Hashem. Always remember that you're here representing Machane Stone first and foremost. Chashuv Bioter. This is something that you must take with you as you go on your quest to do Camp Stone Laundry.
Oh my gosh, Daddy's giving us more. We gotta get this laundry off the floor. Oh, come on.
Yeah!
Get it off the floor. A yellow sock.
A yellow sock.
Huh, that's not a yellow sock.
But look at me